Hello guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel, you know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa live performance ni Janine Verdin and kinanta niya dito yung What If I Miss You for the Rest of my life. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood tong backyard live performance ni Janine Verdin. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, here we... Wait lang, excited. So, here we go.
Give me one moment.
Grabe, laging trending si Janine Verdin ngayon, no? Sobrang ganda naman kasi ng boses niya, no? Ang lupit! Pati mga international singer, sobrang humahanga sa husay ng napakagandang
I wrote the song on the toilet.
binibini na si Janine Verdin.
I was taking a, can I say about
So, ito na.
I was taking a shit and I wrote the song. You know when you leave your phone, naiwan ko yung cellphone ko eh. Tapos sumataya ako, sabi wala akong magawa. So wala, ang dami ko na tuloy iniisip, nasad tuloy ako. Alam mo yung ganon? Kaya dapat magdala na cellphone.
Naulan ngayon guys, pasensya na guys kung nasasama siya sa video ko.
Nasad ako. So nagsulat ako ng song about someone na wala lang, we ended on bad terms and I just thought to myself, what if hindi ako makamove on?
What?
What if forever
Hugot
ko
yarn?
siyang mamiss? What if forever ko siyang may isip? So the song is called What If I Miss You?
Galing niya
for the
magsulat ng
Rest of
kanta,
My
no?
Life?
Ang ganda nito.
And
Napakinggan ko to, sobrang
I wrote
ganda.
the song while shitting.
Punong-puno ng
It's
emosyon
not
yung kantang
shitting.
to.
It's good.
Yes.
From the heart. Please enjoy.
Napatak na yung ulan, ang lakas.
How could I forget your pretty
Galing.
face? When you go to places, do you think of me? Please think of me. A year has passed and I thought I've moved on. I admit you are not.
Grabe yung quality ng boses niya, no? Quality!
People come and go sometimes. Call me your favorite one last time.
Grabe, galing.
I'll never get to find no one like you. You were all I wanted, you were all I need. Us is all I'll be. People come and go sometimes. Call me your favorite one last time.
Wow.
'Cause I have swallowed all my pride.
Grabe yung galing.
Accepted the end of you and I. But what if I miss you for the rest of my life?
Grabe yung lyrics, no? Napaka-meaningful niya.
Where do I go from here?
Wow, galing. Grabe kinikilabutan ako. Grabe yun. Grabe yun, napaka-powerful.
Wait for your return. I only want you to be
Solid. Astig. Grabe ang galing niya.
How could I forget your pretty face? When you go to places, do you think of
Galing.
me? Please think of
Ang
me.
galing niya.
Why don't you think of me? Please think of me.
Di ba? Grabe, sobrang galing talaga ni Janine Berdin, no? And pag kumakanta kasi si Janine Berdin, talagang nanggagaling sa puso, no? At ang maganda sa kanya, habang kumakanta siya, is kinukwento niya yung kanyang kanta. Kaya sobrang tagos na tagos sa puso, di ba? Kaya ramdam na ramdam natin yung pag-awit niya. At talagang ipagmamalaking sariling atin si Janine Berdin kasi sobrang husay, di ba? Gem siya ng music industry dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya guys, supportahan natin si Janine Berdin and sobrang galing niya at sobrang worth it ng pakinggan ng kanyang mga kanta, panoorin yung kanyang mga performances